Hi guys, hope you're well today. I hope you're enjoying your day. It's Wednesday today, I think. Yes. And I thought I've got a couple of deliveries come today. I know obviously one is, I know what that one is. Might have to do that on a separate video. As everybody knows, I have budgies. That's never now going to change in my life. Everybody knows I've sadly lost Mickey a couple of weeks ago, but she has her own beautiful shelf just beside me. And I've obviously taken in two birdies. Some people know, some people don't. Some people think I'm a loony, but do you know what? I am what I am. So I thought to show you what I bought for the girls and boys, and I thought it'd be something different than all the other ones I've done. I just thought I'd, change it around a bit, and I think that's, why not? It's fun, something different. As you know, my YouTube names come from I do craft. I do have budgies, and I'm a mama to them, so I'm crafting budgie mama. So I is going to show you what has been brought for them. I know this is definitely for the birds, like literally, I just know, because it's got loads of different stuff in that I obviously haven't bought off anything else so far. I have bought off another thing, but I'll show you at a later date with that one. I've got stuff everywhere, I'm going through everything, so yeah, it is what it is on my desk. I have had amazing help today, sorting through things. Sadly, I'm protecting myself with covering my dress up. Yeah, this is definitely the birds. So, what do we have here? Right. Oh my god, I will get into it, telling you. It's in them like Ziploc bags and they're flimsy. Make sure I chuck this all in the bin. So this is a new swing, and obviously Mickey had a swing like this, and I will not be giving that to any other birds because that is Mickey's swing. So I went on a certain site called Temu, and I thought, you know what, let's get some for the birdies. So the birdies have also got that. Do you know what, they're so spoiled, but I love them. I can't help but love them. I've also got a nice little coloured perch. I'll see if I can turn my camera around a bit. Got them also a nice little coloured perch, which I won't be putting that way. I'll be putting like on a diagonal thing on the cage, just so they can move up and down on it. That can go in the bin. Also got them another little I don't know what I say. I've also got them another nice toy. Which I'm trying to get out. not sure about this string, to be honest with you. I don't know if I can take that off and put a little clip in. I've got some clips, so I'll take that off because I don't want them hurting themselves. That's to hang up in the cage or on the side of the cage. It's a little star as well, because they're all stars. I haven't decided who's getting what, but I know the new babies are getting this because they seem to be liking it high up. What that will do. Sorry for the rustling. And we've got, let me see if I can untangle this malarkey thing. Untangle. Untangle. Obviously it's been moving about and I don't know how you work it. It's supposed to. I don't get it. Right, do you know what? When I buy new toys and it confuses me, I start taking things off. That's another little swing, but I will sort all the tangling out. I love untangling things. So that will go on side of one of their cages. Let's move that out of the way. No. I do not have any more toys, honest. Here's another little swing. Oh, Minnie will love this. I bought another one of these because I put, Minnie was on her own, obviously because I had to take her sister out to look after her. As everybody knows, I had to separate them. I put Luna in with her. She's my purple and white girl. And she's nicked one of these from Nanny T and Granddad Mike, so I had to go and look for one similar and see if Minnie will sleep on that. It's a little set, another little dangly toy, another little dangly toy. I'm not sure about putting this one in at the moment because it is weird kind of ladder and I'm scared it goes all wonky donkey because it doesn't technically stay straight. It ends up going in weird ways, so I'll work out a way of using that in their cages. Minnie will hear all this because she loves her toys. This obviously needs untangling as well, so it will get there. It is another hanging toy. I'll see what they've done. I'll take them off a minute. If I have to, I'll put them on a different way. Yeah. So, yeah, there's some bells. So I'll have to put them on a different way just so they stay on. I'll clip them together. And there's another little dangly toy. Honestly, I do not spoil my birds. But even if I do, they are my pride and joy. Here's some natural wood perches. As I said, I will be separating these out, and I will probably be buying more so I can get rid of the ones that are not good. Got some more. Oh God, sorry. I don't know why I took it out when it's ripped. So they got some more, different size, different types, and that's what my set likes about me, because I go out and try and buy natural purchase for them. They do not have a whole bag to themselves, I'm telling you. I really haven't. I do not do anything like this. I can't remember what this is. I really can't. Oh, it's a little swing. I don't know if I'll be using this as it came in the set, but I'll see how I go with that one. Oh my God. Why do I do things like to myself like this? I'll put this rubbish straight in the wheelie bin. I've had a real good deep clean since the builders have been in. It's good old clean. More natural wood purchase, so they definitely will be going around the birdies. And help their feet. I've been told by the vets not to use, you can buy these sand stuff for purchase, for like things to go over the top of that. I've been told not to because it actually can make the nails deteriorate. So I'm not doing that. God, if my tail were here now seeing all this, all my wrapping on the floor, oh my God, could you imagine it? It'll be, yeah. But it will get picked up, I promise. I've had one similar one of these before from Mickey. I don't have it. There's another little toy. There for the purchase. Oh, bells come off. What the hell? Ah, so I see, there you go. I'll work away of fixing anything, me. But I don't know if it will stay on there. It might or it might not. No, I don't think it will. Try and tighten it. So there you go. More toys. My desk is full of toys. Another toy. Not sure about this one. I don't want them hurting themselves on cotton, so I don't know yet. They've got more toys. More toys. Another one of them, because it's in a different set. Little bead thing they can play with. And then they've got a perch. Minnie used to love sitting on one of them, but I had to get rid of the others. Oh, yes, I like this. Is my favourite. There's a nice little swing. It is actually a set to that. I did want a blue one of these as well for a little boy, but sadly they were out of stock, but I thought, you know what, these will be okay. And plus for the fact, whoa, that was bright light, they are my favourite colour, pink. Right, put that one there. Oh my god, really, did I go this loony? Yeah, they got little stuff. Oh, Mickey used to love this. She used to love pulling it out. All these little things. She didn't chew it, she just used to love pulling it out. I ran out of that stuff really, really quickly. With Mickey Mouse. I've got a longer one of them, as you saw before. I've got a shorter one, so they'll be going on sideways or straight as well. So that's all my Budgie stuff. That I had bought for them. I think they just all deserve some new toys. A change around in their cage. Things like that. Let's put that out there so I don't hurt myself. You know, they will probably get more and more toys, more and more things to do. I will be looking into getting like foraging stuff like they would do in the wild, so they can hunt for some yum yums. It's just working all that out at the moment. I'm just putting these all back in the bag because one of my carers will be like me. Oh my god, did I really, really make a mess in such a short amount of time? Didn't do it. Didn't do it. So that's all their toys. Now the next lot, I might have to do that on another open the box, because obviously it's totally different to the birds, etc. So I will say enjoy my birdie video, and I just thought it would be something different to do, something different, and yeah, just a different thing to show on my YouTube. I know Tom, he'll be about. I've still got to reply to a couple of his comments. Yeah, there's my Mickey Moo. It's a whole of a shelf. Wow, I just saw something go woo down the side of me, Mickey. So yeah, I thought I'd do something different for a change, and it's about my birdies. And this channel is not just about me, it is about my budgies too. You know, that's how I am. I like to share them out and show them the little funny times and what they get up to. And the new little girl, oh my god, she's like a batbird. I'm sure Mickey's taught her whilst I haven't been aware, because she used to act like a batbird and things like that. So, and Luna, my purple girl. And yeah, if I buy any more stuff, obviously I'll share it, because it's nice to share different things on your channel, and I don't think there's any harm in that at all. I don't know what I'm doing with that, but I've got to take all that later off. But anyway, that's a different story. So yeah, it's going to be fun. I will have fun. I have to go round washing them, putting them in, you know, making sure they're clean, because obviously they come out, they've been out and about, things like that, so they'll have to have a bit of a soak, which I will do with the purchase and all that, make sure it's all clean. It's just the way I am. The other two are not behind me, they're now next door. They are quite happy in there, and I think Minnie loves the new boy. I think Minnie does. I've tried to that, so I might change Minnie round just to see the new little boy, because she likes him, and put the boys in the middle. So it's boy, girl, boys. Girl, boys, girl. And then the pair then Gandalf. So, but I may have to take my little Sonny out from the 3 boys. I think he's getting a little bit picked on by one of the Budgies, and it's antagonising him, and he's not looking right. So that's my next agenda, to get him out. That'll be fun. He's always looking for a escape route, because he goes underneath my arm and everything. He's not scared to get out of that cage, I tell you. So that's what I thought I'd do, show you what I've bought, and it's all off Timu. I did not buy it from Timu, honest, but I did. And yeah, I'm going to have fun with it. Hopefully, Minnie's going to love her new swings. I'll take her old one out, and she'll have the same one as what Luna's now got. She took it off Minnie, poor girl. But sadly, I'm putting the old arch with none of them. It will be going up here for Mickey, because she never ever let any other budgie on it. It made me laugh. Trying to explain it to one of my good friends what she's done since she's had that arch. She's had it a good, I don't know, half a year. And yeah, she was very funny, and trying to explain it to a friend was really, really hard. Oh God. And yeah, I thought I'd keep that for her, and Minnie went on it once, and all of a sudden, I was glad I was on video chat with my friend. All of a sudden you saw, because Minnie was on it, all of a sudden you saw Mickey go whoop, sideways running. Oh, it was just so funny. So I have some funny moments of her. But anyway guys, you take care. I'll catch you on the next one. There will be another video coming out, because it's my affiliation stuff that I've bought to do for your world of building blocks. So I have bought some stuff to start doing videos or doing lives. It varies with me right now, but it's something I'm going to enjoy doing, because I think I bought 3 or 4 builds, so I think they've really just come. So yeah, I got mine pretty quickly. But you take care guys, be happy in what you do, have fun. If you can't be good, be careful, and I will see you all on the next one. You take care, bye.